Welcome back to the House of Samba Kids. Today we're going to learn about a new instrument from India called the Udo Drum. As you can see, this is a gorgeous piece, and you hear this music on world music, primarily Indian music and also for movie soundtracks too. Unique sound, the Udo Drum. How do you play it? Well, if you look right there, I hit it with my hands on here. As you can see, I can close that little right there and I can make an overtone. So the tone pitch, it expands itself. So let's see what an Udo drum sounds like. Here we go. Ding ding doom ding ding doom ding ding doodle ding ding doom ding ding doodle ding ding doom ding ding doodle ding ding doom. The Udo Drum.